Baking soda removes odors because it chemically reacts with odor molecules, changing them into forms that don't smell. Most bad smells come from acidic or reactive airborne molecules. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is a mild base. When odor molecules contact it, baking soda can neutralize acids or bind reactive compounds, reducing their ability to evaporate into the air. No evaporation means no smell reaching your nose. For a smell to exist, molecules must escape into the air, travel to your nose, activate receptors. Baking soda interferes at step 1. It can neutralize acidic odor molecules, absorb moisture-trapping odor compounds, bind certain molecules on its surface. Instead of covering the smell, it changes or traps the chemicals themselves. Many everyday odors are slightly acidic: spoiled food, sweat compounds, sour residues, organic decay. Because baking soda is alkaline, it reacts with those acids to form less volatile salts. Salts don't evaporate easily, so they don't travel to your nose. That's why baking soda works best when left exposed, spread over surfaces, or placed in enclosed spaces. Air fresheners mask smells by adding stronger scents. Baking soda is different. It doesn't add fragrance. It reduces the number of odor molecules in the air. Baking soda neutralizes odors because it's a mild base that reacts with acidic smell molecules and traps them, preventing them from evaporating into the air. When fewer odor molecules reach your nose, the smell fades.